What's up everyone, my name is Kamal Akil, and today I'm going to show y'all how to replace a key fob battery for Hyundai Elantra GT. It's my stepmom's car, Latifah. I think it's a 2013 year model, but this probably applies to a few years and probably all the different makes. So first thing you want to do is just push the button here and take the key part out of the fob itself, and you'll actually see the slot where the key goes in, and there's a slot right next to it. And you can just use a quarter or even just like a butter knife and put it in that slot and just twist it, and then the key fob should open up. And then you'll see the battery right here, and then I just actually have a kebab stick to pry it out. And then the battery number is a DL32. You probably can't read that on there, but if you just go to the Radio Shack, if your town still has one of those, or any battery store, I'm sure they'll have them, and you might as well get two. And we did replace both key fob batteries because might as well do them at the same time. So then when you're going back in, there's a spring in here, so you'll want to put it in that way first, and then you want to put it the same way it came out, which there's a flat side and then the other side has a slight curve to it. You want to put the flat side facing down, so going this way, and then it should just pop right in there. And then just it should just snap back together like that, and you can put your key back in. And it's as simple as that. And to be honest, if you go to the dealership, they might even do that for you for free. It just depends on who's working and how they feel that day. But thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.